Hi guys, today you would be doing with me how to manipulate a webhook to your liking. Uh, let's take a simple webhook where we have Tim Jones who's having some problems and there are multiple processor which needs moving. Now this specific webhooks have multiple item codes inside it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to be more precise. What we want is, instead of one webhook going to our end system, we want one webhook per item which is listed over here. Now to do something like this in Zapier or Make, you would be charged per step, right? So as many as number of steps it would take, you would be charged on it, which I think is ridiculous, especially with URL logger, ETL and ChatGPT. So the first thing that we do is we write down what we want. Okay, I have just written down a simple prompt which says if there are more than one items here, you pass those many number of webhooks. If there is none, then you give me a null webhook. And this is the webhook address that I want to forward this to. Okay, I've shown an example of the same. I'm gonna copy paste this. So we have ChatGPT. Let me paste the entire prompt and it will give us a Python script. Okay, I'm not a programmer, I have no clues what it says, but we will definitely test if this is the output that we would want. Okay, we take this, we paste it in here. Let's take the script, paste it. Let's run this script. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so the webhooks have started coming in just the way we want. So this is good enough for us. What you will do further testing, but for us right now this is good enough. What we will do next is we will take another prompt which will be provided to you, which tells ChatGPT to adapt this code inside ETL Tools package. Okay. So ETL tool allows you to run Python script as a part of its package. This is very simple implementation without us user have to worrying about any flow orchestration. I think this is a very simple micro replacement to something like Airflow. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this. Okay, this is a primary script that we need, and open ETL tools. Okay, so let's just come here. Okay, the first thing that we will do is we will create a new package. Here, new package. Okay, and again a starter package would be provided to you, which is right over here. Okay, so both of these parts are constant. Okay, what you do need to do is come over here and paste the script given by ChatGPT over here. Okay, click on OK. Now we save this. We find out what is the package number. So in this scenario the package number is 7425. We open URL logger. Let's come over here. We open the URL button, click on plus. Okay, let's say split orders. Okay, we come over here, we run a script, and again this is a standard script which would be provided to you. Okay, so this is the, and we click on create. Got it? So this is the split order that we require. Now, okay, hi, yeah. So the only thing that we are required to change is we come to script code. Okay, this object ID needs to be what is the package ID. Okay, so 7425. You click on save this to the repository. Okay, and now I have cleared this up. Let's try sending a webhook. Yes, this is super simple and